Hello, hello guys. Am I audible? Okay. So I'm adding in one by one in a panelist, so you can ask your questions. Yes, Rohan, Jayes, Barav, you can ask your question.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
I was having a doubt while I was solving the MySQL challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Can I share the screen?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's visible.
Like in this, the nanotube database challenge.
Mm-hmm.
I was able to create the database. Like
Mm-hmm.
creating the database was successful. Even
Mm-hmm.
table creation was successful.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, I got a doubt. Means not a doubt. It's for an understanding uh, the line with the with OpenCSV. I got to understand after some time.
Mm-hmm.
And for the temporary list for I in the reader, uh, with this passage, I want to get some clarification about it. So how this works? The f value
Mm-hmm.
it the it returns the values of what the files are, right? Whatever in the file, in the CSV file, it will return those values, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then for that values, why to join the temporary list?
Mm-hmm.
That's my question. I was doubt. I took help from the Skype support for this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They answered me with this, but I was unable to understand the values and the values joint temporary list. This one.
So in the line number 11, you are joining the list in commas, means uh, 2, 1 in the in output you are getting this 2, 1, 0. So yeah, this one you are getting now from
Yes,
this.
yes, yes. This one.
So what is the issue here? Means you are getting the output, no?
Yes, yes. Output I'm getting, but why? But because there was semicolon earlier in the CSV file, right? If you open the CSV file, there are already semicolon, right?
Your CSV file is not means it is not visible CSV file.
The CSV file is not visible to you.
I think you have shared only your one screen.
Okay, okay, okay. Now it is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Now the separator is already in the semicolon, right?
Mm-hmm.
So why to use the comma instead of the semicolon? That's my question actually. That's where I got stuck.
Rudra, you there?
Yes, sir. I'll have to go through the whole code once.
Because we use the delimiter here,
Mm-hmm.
right? The semicolon for the file. So I was just having doubt about this, that why to use comma instead of semicolon to separate it, because as if it is already separated by semicolon.
So this code you have written by your own, or we
No,
have
no,
provided
this
this code?
code,
Yeah.
this two code I have written by my own.
Mm-hmm.
This two, the clear table creation up to table creation,
Mm-hmm.
but here I was getting stuck. So I asked help from the Skype support.
Mm-hmm.
They gave me this code. They gave me this full code, but I know the table creation and the data creation, means database creation.
Mm-hmm.
So I looked into this. So that's why I got stuck here.
Okay, give me a minute. I mean, copy paste the whole code in the chat once. I'll have a look and then we can have the discussion on it. Okay,
Shall
because
I put the only the values insertion on or the whole?
yeah, this value insertion, this list thing you have to put and okay, yeah, you can put this thing and if possible, you can share the screenshot of the file too. Okay, because I don't know what the file is.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I'll just paste.
Until then, we can go on with the next.
There is join. There are chats like it's just formatting the join.
Oh, just share it in the chat. We'll see for
Yes,
it.
I shared it. I shared it. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah, yeah, I can see. Let me have a look to it. Okay, till then we can ask the next. I mean, we can go for the next query.
Yes, sure. Thank you. Shall I stop sharing?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You can stop sharing and wait.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rohan.
Yes, sir. I have joined this course only day before yesterday. So, some suggestions to how to cope with the course. Yes, sir.
So recordings are available. You can go through the recordings
Yes, sir. I am
from the very
following up
first
the.
day.
Yes, sir. I am following up the recordings. But will I be eligible to do the internship after I just finish the Python course?
Yeah, yeah. If you finished up to the Python code, means up to the Python you are finishing from your own end, so you
Yeah.
can join.
Sir, just another information till how much till now it is studied. Is the
I
Python course
I
completed?
think NumPy is going on.
Okay,
Yeah.
but so is there any time interval means when will this Python will end and the internship will start?
Uh, I think next
In,
week or next to next week
means
it will be over.
means by that time I will be able to complete this by
Yes.
myself. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay, that much only.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Sheza, Nadeem, Anmol.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
I'm working on some project in which I'm using mobile data and some pre-trained model.
Mm-hmm.
There I'm facing some issue with codes. So should I share my screen and ask you? Actually, I
Okay,
want to
you can.
predict some classes which I have defined.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Yeah, sure. Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So yeah, here I am facing issue. MobileNet is working on 1,000 samples, thousands
Mm-hmm.
categories, but in my project I defined 2 categories only. So it's showing this decode prediction error.
So, what is
So
the use case is this about? Can you brief me
yeah,
something? Yeah.
okay, I will show what is the use case. Actually, I am designing a baby monitoring system
Mm-hmm.
in which there are 2 classes, whether baby is sleeping or not sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I want to predict whether the baby is sleeping or not. the first
Share
case is
share the code once. There
yeah,
you must have given that 1,000 classes at the as somewhere as
yes,
input. Okay, from where
so
have you defined the model? Can we get that model?
yeah, yes, sure. So here I'm using that mobile net fine-tune model. I am keeping 5 layer and 6th layer I am changing.
Okay, okay. Scroll down. We have given output as 2 only. Okay. And
And I'm freezing that 25th layer from 25th layer. So till now it's okay. One more thing that I have less data like 200 or only. So for that I am getting this accuracy 87%. So what I did, uh,
yeah,
sorry,
but your error is because of that. I mean, scroll down a bit. I want to see what the error
mhm,
is.
huh, error is this one. There are only
This is
2 classes and then mobile net model is pre-trained with 1,000 images, 1,000 categories. So how to use that pre-trained model for my application?
but you trained it, you fine tuned it above,
With
right?
yeah, with my classes, yeah.
So you can use that model which you have fine tuned.
That model is I defined as model only. See, this is the model only, model.
Okay. Okay. Scroll down and what you are using model dot save. You are saving that model and you are loading that model only, right?
This model you are telling. Mm, I've saved with this name, but how to use this one model or this one is defined as model only. So can't I use that model only or I have to use this one?
You have to use this one because once load this model and then use it once and then see that it is giving the correct result or not. Okay, because you have fine tuned it and for 2 classes only and you are using that model. So first load this and then use it. Okay, and then please tell me that what is the
So how to do that? I don't know.
just load this model and do whatever steps you want to do in place of model. Just load this model bms classification.h5.
Okay.
Yeah, load this model directly. You have saved it. It is in your drive. Just load it. I mean, you have to just give the path of it. Also, path is also not required because it is there, directly there. So just
Yeah.
you'll have to directly load it and nothing else.
So I have to model dot load some command like that
Yes,
or
yes, yes. Okay, you load. I am pasting the command in the chat. Okay, wait,
okay,
give me a
sure.
second.
I will use that one. And the other thing, yeah. So what I was telling that I have only 200 images. So I augmented that images and used again in different model. Means retrained my model, but the
Mhm.
accuracy has decreased after augmentation.
It may happen. The accuracy may decrease, but try with some other model. I mean, try with some other different models.
Actually, I want to use for mobile applications. So mobile net is the best choice, I think. So I want to
And
use
use
that
any
one.
and then convert using TF Lite.
Okay, I will do that. And one more thing that I want to predict, like if I give one image, whether this class belong to 1 or 0, which one it belong, how to predict that. Okay,
Yeah,
prediction I have done. Yeah, so I'm
for
getting this
that
one.
only I told that you have to load this
Yeah,
model and
yes,
then
yes,
use.
yes. Okay, so you have given the code for that.
Just a minute.
Okay,
Now I'm pasting it. Just a minute. Give me a
okay.
minute.
Other problem is that I want to use PoseNet model to detect the pose.
Okay. I have
I didn't
pasted
run
it
this.
to you.
Okay, I will see that. And one more thing I want to ask, how to use that. Like I'm defining bed and the baby in one rectangle. Okay.
Okay.
So I want to find the distance between, this is my safe position in the middle of the bed.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. So I want to find the distance between this safe position to this rectangle. So how can I do this?
Have you seen that hand shredder project that we have made?
No.
Go through it once. Okay. We have the similar kind of use case there too. Okay. Go
Which
through it
one?
once and hand shredder project. Hand shredder.
Okay. I will check
Yeah.
it.
Go through it once. You'll get the whole brief idea because we have. I mean, the whole code walkthrough has been also given in the class, so
Mhm.
you will get the whole idea of how it will work. Okay.
Okay. And if I face some issue, can I connect with you some other day or some other time?
Yeah, ma'am. I'll try to give my Skype ID. Wait a second. You can ping to the Skype team and they'll give you the Skype ID. I mean, I'll tell them to give my Skype ID and they'll give it to you. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Okay, then I didn't run this, otherwise I have. Okay, fine. Okay, I will ask later on, then I will use that model, check it, and then I will ask. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Shall I go ahead now? Anmol by this side.
Yes, Anmol.
Let me share my screen and tell you what's now I'm facing the issue. Please let me know once my screen is visible.
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Okay, so what I did, I opened the PowerShell and I ran this command get processes. It will generate this type of processes list in your system.
Hmm.
I took out this in a process.csv. Okay,
Hmm.
now when I try to read it out in pandas,
Hmm.
I am getting this in a single row. If I open this as an Excel sheet in a LibreOffice, as I don't have the uh, product key for the Microsoft Office, so
Hmm.
this whole thing is coming in one row. My target is to get them in a separate row. How can I do that? Is it this is in the CSV? If you see in properties, I go.
Hmm.
This whole thing is sir is in CSV.
So it's not in a proper format, right?
Right. So I was told by the Skype team to use
Hmm.
the
Sorry.
separator.
Hmm.
However, this didn't fetch me better result. So please help me with this, sir.
Okay, wait a second.
In place of this tab, you can give a space and try with that once.
I have tried space, double space, but no success. Single space, let me give double space also. No success. In fact, I figure it out myself that you have to use this UFT 16 not 8. But here, separator thing I am failing.
Okay, give single space and show me the error once. Scroll down. Yeah, you will have to see in the go to that open your CSV file. Go to that line number in which it was telling. Here you are.
76.
Yeah, 76. Go to
Field
that
or line
70.
number 5.
76. Yes, it is
76. Okay.
Wait a second. Wait a second. It is expecting 76. Oh, open that again. Sorry, open that again. It is expected 76 feeds in line 5, so 88. Okay, okay. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. calculate the number of words there in the first row. I mean, go to the first row once again. What it is doing is it's actually calculating the number of rows. See, at first, yeah, the thing is, see, what is the issue is, it is expecting, see, for first row, you have 270, 16, 6180, 22688, 2.39, 15524, 4 application and frame host, right? It is expecting same number of columns in line number 6 also, but it is not getting that same number of column because that 0.78 078.52 and 49684 and Chrome, they are in different column, right?
Sir,
Getting
they
my
are
point?
in same column. If you see, they are in same
How
column.
are they same? How are they in same column? They are not in same column. Anmol, they are in different column. They are in column number B. They are not in column number A. Column number A has these many things: handles, NPK, PM, WS, CPU, ID, SI, and process name. But column B does not has that. So we can, by our logic, we can understand that this 78.52 and 49684 comma 4 and Chrome can go under CPU, ID, SI, and process name, but your computer won't go by that logic, right? It has to, yeah. So for that, you can skip those rows which has this thing. For that, we use something called as skip row equal to false. Let me confirm it once. I'm pasting a parameter in the chat. Give this as a parameter in that while you're reading it. Error pad lines equal to false. I pasted it in the chat.
Okay, let me do that.
No, give that a skip. Sorry, what separator? You'll have to give that separator too.
So I also need to give separator also.
Yeah, then only it will identify that how it has to separate the columns. Because
So
it
I need
don't.
to give it space or something
Yeah,
else.
space.
Single space.
Scroll down. Now print the output of it.
Oh,
See,
N
it
A
is.
N N A N.
Yeah, it is
Everything is
NaN.
NaN.
Yeah. Wait a second. We'll have to see. We will have to figure out that also. That why it is.
Something is there.
See, scroll up.
So any values are present present in NaN, means in your PowerShell?
Yeah, in PowerShell, I'm getting this type of presented output.
Okay.
Okay, open that CSV file again.
Can you share your CSV file with me?
Right, sir. What you can do, you can launch a PowerShell and you can just give this command. I don't know how can I will be sharing this on Zoom. Let me share this command.
You can upload it to a drive and then share the link. That would be possible, right? Upload the CSV file on the drive and share the link with us.
I need to upload on a drive.
Yeah, upload it on a drive and share the drive link. That would be.
So this command, if you will able to type, I will be thankful to you.
Okay,
Where is the chat
provide the
option?
commands only. That will be good.
Yep. This is the command you need to just make sure that you define your path for this.
Okay. In the meantime, those have any questions they can ask.
I have one more question, that when will be the internship started? I started this course at beginning, and now statistics module is being started by Chris sir. So can you give me some insight that how this internship gonna commence?
We will announce it in next week. Anmol.
Thank you, sir. So
Anmol,
nice of you.
Anmol, please upload it on the drive and share the link because I'm not getting the CSV file. So please do it so that I can also try it. Right?
Sir, do you know Rahul? Rahul in your team?
Yeah, I know him, but it would be nice if you upload it on a drive and then share the link so that we don't have to contact him. We can get it here done. We can get it done here.
Okay.
Anyone else? Any question?
Yeah, anyone else have any question they can ask? Jace,
Yes, sir.
you have question?
No, that first that only I was having doubts.
Okay. Yes, Sarin and Manu Malik, you can ask your doubt.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, is my screen visible?
No, you haven't shared your screen, I think.
Can you provide me your mail ID so I can give you the link and add your permission only?
Rudra?
Yes, sir. I'm giving it. Giving it.
Yes, Manu, your screen is visible. You can go on.
Hello.
Yes, Manu. Yeah, Anmol, you are asking, no? How to change that thing in a CSV file, Anmol?
Sir, I changed it in a CSV file. My query was that how can I get it in a well tabular form?
Yeah, that I'm telling you. First, convert them in a .txt file, okay, and open that in an Excel, Microsoft Excel. You can open that, and you will get one option, delimited option. Okay, select that and click on next. It would be in a formatted way.
Right.
Thank you, sir. I will be reaching out to you if my issue is not resolved. I'm
Okay,
doing this
first
right now.
convert it in a .txt file, then convert it in a .csv. Okay, it would be in a formatted way.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
sir. So
Okay,
Hello.
Aman.
have a nice day. Bye, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Manu.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Sir,
Hi.
actually, I'm in Python automation and scripting, and
Mm-hmm.
like I've 2 months before only I joined the full stack data science course. So
Mm-hmm.
I have like before that I was doing ML by myself only, reading and watching videos on Krish videos and uh, like few stuff on the internet. So I just tried to understand it by myself only. So I have started applying for data science positions now of,
Mm-hmm.
and one of the companies have given me the assignment. The interview process has started.
Mm-hmm.
So it is using computer vision and the Spacey library from NLP.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, sir, I haven't created any project so far. So I just need to know. I just want to understand what they actually are asking. So can I show you like what's the problem statement?
Yes, you can share. You can show.
Yes, sir, sure. Um, so this is the problem statement, sir. So just let me know when you want me to scroll it down.
Mm-hmm. Go down.
So this will be the result which has to be shown on the screen.
Mm-hmm. Can you go up? Can you show the picture? What
Yes.
is? Yeah.
These are the UFOs,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the background. They have given 5,000 images, and each image has this UFO image only. Okay, with a number on them. I'll show you the data, and one they have given the background image as well.
Okay.
So I'll show you the data first, sir. This is a requirement run. And this is the frame, sir, right?
Mm-hmm.
And, yeah, this is the background image, and they have given this a code as well, but I'm not able to show like from which point I should pick up the thing and start like inferring. I don't know from which point I should start inferring this thing. I can learn these things and like do something on the internet and check these things, but I don't know the starting point. I just
Okay, you can do one thing, Manu. You can share your this code and your problem statement with me. Okay.
right,
Okay.
right,
I'm sharing my mail ID with you.
right. So this is
Uh,
the data I have. This is the data they've given.
mm-hmm.
Just a second, sir. Right, sir. Like every like from 0 to 9 numbers are there, and
Mm-hmm.
they have given us around every page, like every number corresponding to every number, there are few images, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
so this is the images of the UFOs, right, sir? And then they have given the background image.
Okay.
So this is the data which they have provided,
Mm-hmm.
and then they have given this small codes, sir, they have given. So I don't know from which point I should pick it up.
So you have idea about the NLP Spacey library and the
No,
OpenCV.
no, sir. I don't have the idea, but yeah, a little bit I have an idea about the OpenCV, the CV2 library.
Mm-hmm.
So I've done some small manipulation. I just learned it long back, so I can thought of giving it a try. I don't
Okay.
want to lose this watch. I just want to deliver something from my part on this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Do one thing. Share your problem statement and these data and codes also. I have to
Sir.
look for it. and we'll provide you some solution.
Right, sir. Sir, where can I get to see?
Yeah, I provided the mail ID in chat.
Sir, I don't know like how to go. Okay, this chart. Vikas at ID. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Hello.
Yes.
I
Yes,
had
sorry.
more than a doubt. I had a small clarification.
Mm-hmm.
Can I share my screen? I had some issue with VS Code.
Okay. Okay, Manu, you can stop participating. Okay, you can share your screen sharing.
Sure.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm following the Flask playlist which Krish is doing on his YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
I just shifted to like VS Code a few days back, so I'm trying to get the hang of it. I wanted to know, so here when we're choosing an interpreter, let's say for example here I created an environment, and here this import CV2 this IntelliSense goes away once I select that interpreter. Okay, wait, it still hasn't gone. Yeah, it goes now. Can you explain to me what this is versus this Python version which I'm choosing? I'm not sure. I don't understand this process. Can you tell me this?
This is the Python version which you are using in this environment.
Okay,
in
and
the CV environment.
Okay, and these are the different environments, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say if I'm taking this environment, why doesn't the terminal change to that environment?
Go to the file. This is not the way to change environment.
Okay. Go where?
Open the terminal now only. Means you open the terminal. I think it will be changed. The system cannot find the path it's saying.
Now it did.
It did now?
Okay. So I need to close and open it.
Yes.
Good. It's just a silly doubt. I just wanted to clarify that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, may I proceed?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, is my screen visible?
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Yeah, okay. Previously, Sudhanshu gave us a CSV. It's a table file, and he has told us to do all the pandas operations here. While doing that, I have reached a particular situation where there are nested lists available here, and he has told us to split all those lists and move those to a separate columns. I'm not able to do that. Can you give me a hint of something code?
You can use a for loop in there. Means for that column, you can use a for loop. It's in a nested loop. Okay.
Okay.
Rudra, you want to help him out in this?
What's that?
Rudra?
Should I share the link with you?
Wait. Rudra, you're there?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Abid.
Okay.
Sharing. Sorry. So you need to use a for loop in here. Means for that column you need to for loop. For that you can see different lists are there under that in that list. Okay. So you need to separate them in one list. Okay. That you want to do now. So these are in the nested list. So you need to use a for loop and use a index. It's like for one index means for 0 index, these column should be in the empty list. So make them in a empty list, right? You want to add them in a separate list, right? Yes.
Right.
So that thing you need to choose the column, and from that you need to choose the indexes. Which are the indexes is available? It's like first index is there. So choose the first index, first value, and add them in an empty list. You can do that by doing a code.
Okay. Then I should print it in a data frame form, right?
Yeah. You can
Okay.
delete this choice description column and create a new column. And you can
Okay.
add that thing in a new column.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I have a query. Recently, I have seen a position of data analyst position
Mm-hmm.
while searching through the internet, and they are asking for fresher data analyst role.
Mm-hmm.
So, from my experience, I have not done any major projects regarding data analyst role. So, how should I tweak my resume in such a way that
Sharin, I think Jairam have shared one code. You can look on that code. He have provided some code.
okay, let me see. Okay, I will go through that.
Okay. Yeah, you were saying you applied for the data analyst role.
Yeah. I'm currently preparing my resume, but I have not done any major projects. But I have skills in SQL, and I have watched videos regarding Power BI and Tableau.
Mm-hmm.
So how should I prepare my CV in such a way?
I think Sudhanshu sir have done one video on that.
Yeah, I have seen that, but it's regarding experienced people, not
Mm-hmm.
for freshers, I think.
So you
So
can
confused.
you can add you can check our EDA sections are available, no? So you can take a data set from there, and for a data analyst role you can do a visualization on them and make find out some insights from that. You can add as a project in your resume.
Okay. Okay, after preparing my resume, is it possible that I can mail anyone in your own and they will look into it before applying?
Yeah, sure. You can share your resume.
Okay, okay, thank you. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, Vikas sir.
Yeah, Manu.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I've mailed you the problem statement,
Sure.
and sir, I just want to, see from where I can, like from which point I should, pick the things and then start executing this thing. So because they've used some pre-process and localizing, and then, calling that thing in some another file. So
Mm-hmm.
I just want to know how to, like what exactly are they doing in this code?
Sure. I have to look about the code and the use case which you are saying. I have to
Right,
look
sir.
for it, and I will give you a detailed feedback on that.
Right, right, right,
How to do that? How
right,
to
right,
approach that problem? Okay.
right, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, Manu.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yes, Mukesh.
Yes, I have joined the session. Uh, this is my first class, sir, actually. I have joined day before yesterday, sir. Can you please guide me towards to dashboard? But because I'm feeling a little bit difficult in accessing it, sir. Actually, sir, can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, your screen is
Hello.
visible. Yes, your screen is visible, Mukesh.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I have to listen entire lectures from this one, sir. These are all the lectures that I have covered. Then, sir, what are these computer vision fast track patches and class notes I can understand? Python assignments
So
and
we
what
have
all these
provided the
things?
previous recordings also. So these are I think these are
Okay.
the previous recordings. So you can go in your pace and you can complete this course. Okay. And
Okay.
the current videos are also available. Means live class recordings is also available.
Yeah, this is the last class recorded 13 June.
Yes.
And my one concern is, as I know that it's a 1 year internship program, then till
Mhm.
what session I have to complete to be a person that I can enroll for internship? Or I need to have
We
something
have
of
to
Python
if
or
you have completed up to the Python, you can join in the internship.
okay, then the Python basics.
Yes.
Okay. Then, sir, we will be announcing any enrollment date or anything. regarding?
Yeah, we will do a official announcement about the internship in coming weeks. We'll do that. Yes, Mukesh, I think you got logged out. Yeah.
Yes, sir. No, my doubts
Yeah.
are clear, sir.
Okay,
Thank,
Mukesh.
thank for your time, sir.
Okay. Yes, Dilip.
So actually, I have recently joined this course. Sir.
Mm-hmm.
About the assignment submission, what is the process for the assignment submission, sir?
So you can do your assignments in local and upload it in a GitHub and share your GitHub profile in dashboard. In dashboard, one link is present there. You need to upload it there. Your GitHub link, your GitHub link of your assignment.
Okay, sir. Then for joining in an internship, we have to need to complete entire Python assignment, sir.
Yes, it would be completed if possible.
Okay. When will be the intern will starting, sir?
Internship will be, we will do announcement, official announcement in coming weeks. We'll do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Lalit, you can go on. What's your question? Lalit? Yes, Lalit, I got, you have muted me. I didn't muted you. You can, you are in a panelist, you can unmute yourself. I have added you in a panelist.
Hi, Vikas.
Yes,
Sorry.
Lalit.
My question is the same to the earlier one. I have been attending the classes, but I have not done assignments.
Mm-hmm.
So, with regards to internship, is it mandatory that I should complete the assignments?
It would be, if you have completed the assignment, that would be good. Means we need to, I need to confirm with the team what's the procedure to join the internship. After the Python, I think we are allowing people to join the internship. So
I mean, because I've been attending all the classes. I think
Yes,
I think as per Sudhanshu, I think another 3-4 sessions, the pandas will be completed.
Mhm.
I think after pandas, they're going to start.
NumPy has started, I think, in previous week in Panda. NumPy is started, right?
Yeah. NumPy was going on. So I think mostly after that, Sudhanshu was planning for intern. So since I was not able to complete the assignments, so I thought, is it a hindrance to go into an internship for that? Just want to confirm that.
Okay. Give me a minute. I will confirm you about it. Give me a minute. Okay.
Yeah, and
And if you have any questions related to course or something?
nothing. I had an issue on one of the, I think one of the DB access, wherein we have to download the old version of Java. I know which was it.
Rudra, would you like to help him, Lalit, for installing Java?
Yeah. I wanted help.
Rudra?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, Lalit, you can told your
Yes.
question to you, Rudra. He will help you out.
Yes. So Rudra, you there?
Yes.
See, I think for one of the DB, we had to install the old version of Java. I'm not very familiar which DB class was it. So while doing the class, I was not able to install that Java, and I was totally stuck in that class.
But you for Cassandra you were asking, right?
Yeah, for Cassandra. So
it's 8.0.4. I mean,
yeah, I followed the class, and when I did the download,
I know somewhere I'm getting stuck. I was just not able to. If you don't install the Java, you can't go in through the Cassandra only.
Yeah, you can't do it.
So I was badly stuck. I'm still not able to do. I don't know how I was able to view it, but I was not able to do it from my end.
Can you please share the error?
It's such a long process. So
Can you please share the error, share your screen and show the error that you are getting?
yeah, I will I have to prepare myself for that. I think right now I'm not in a position to, I mean, totally share those things right now. But still, let me share my screen.
Okay, if it takes time, and I mean, you can ping on Skype tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Tomorrow at 11 a.m. Huh?
Yeah, 11. Yes.
So Skype, it shall should be to you directly, or
Yeah. No. It will be. I'll be there, and I'll see your name, and I'll do it. Then, okay.
Okay. So Rudra, I can get your mail ID. I think so. We are in the Skype. So
yeah, you can have my mail ID too.
Yeah, please tell me. You can put in the chat so that I can.
Yes.
And Lalit, I talked to the team, so it is not mandatory to complete all the assignments. It's up to you if you have completed it.
Okay.
But you are eligible if you have Python module is completed, so you are eligible for the internship if you want to.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. So thanks, Rudra. I'll get back to you with when I'm fully prepared. I'll get back to you tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's all from my end.
Okay. Yes, Raj Sekhar, you can go on with your question.
Sir, that Cassandra class, sir, I was saying, sir, it will be good if we have half an hour class because I also am facing same issues because in Cassandra, or I can join him at the same time.
Okay,
what is the? I mean, it depends on the error that you both are getting, right?
Okay.
I think Rudra, that I'm not able to download a version only, Java version. I'm wondering.
You're not able to download the Java version. Okay.
Yeah, you copy paste and you do the thing. I know how you have done it there, because when you open the Java version, there are some two icons which come under it.
So can you tell me which version of what Java you want to download? Can you tell me?
I think one specific version which Sudhanshu Sir had said to do it, and I did that, and he easily was able to do it in a single package. But when I do it, there are two icons coming under that. Maybe that is the issue there. I think
you can provide me the exact version. I can help you out here only, if you provide me
the version. Okay, I think I'll just try to share my screen if I order best I can. Okay, forget it. I'll be wasting time. I'll let others ask questions.
Sir, I think that in the chat one link has been there. JDK.
Yeah, JDK. Oh, this is the version. Huh? Okay, this is the older version. This is not the version. So you're telling you have to try this version of Java.
Yeah, you can check this version, but before that you have to install the version you have installed in your system. First uninstall it, then install this version.
And do you have a link from where I can download, or you just give a search on Google, get it? Any specific link is that I can download it?
Wait a second.
So I'll go back.
Yeah, I think Arunova has shared a link. So you can go in that link, Windows 64 bits.
Okay, I got 64 bit only. Yeah. Fine, thank you.
Yeah, try it, and if you're not able to do that, connect with Rudra by 11 p.m. 11 a.m.
Tomorrow, right?
Yes, tomorrow.
Yeah, thanks, Rudra. Thank you so much.
Yes, Lokesh, you can go on with your question. Kanchala, you're okay, so you can go on with your question.
Sir, this is Raj, sir. Sir, if we are using only cloud version of Cassandra, it will be fine. Sir. Will I be facing any issues?
Cloud version of Cassandra.
You
Yes,
won't
sir.
be facing any issue. Raj.
Yes.
Means there will be something that I will not be able to do or that kind of thing.
No, no, no. It won't be. There won't be any such case.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Kanchala, Lokesh, you can go on with your question. Lokesh, are you able to hear me? Okay, I think some internet issues. If there are, if you guys have any question, you can ask. You can raise your hand. If no questions, then we will conclude this meeting. If you have any question, you can ask. You can raise your hand. And you can ask. Okay, Rajsik. Here's Rajasekara. I have added you in panelist. Go on with the question.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir. Sir, presently I was studying MTech, sir, in nanotechnology department.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. But I want to get in PhD in, I was interested to get into PhD in artificial intelligence or machine learning, sir. Is there any possible, sir?
You're doing MTech in which field? Nanotechnology.
Nanotechnology, sir.
Yeah, I think you can do that. I don't think so any problem with that.
Sir, how, sir? How it possible, sir? Yeah, I think that if we was done in MTech in separate program, should we do in PhD in same program itself, sir?
So something is related to nanotechnology and artificial intelligence also. So you can do that. Something is related there.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, Arunava, go on with your question.
Yeah, hi Vikas.
Hi.
Because I'm unable to find the code, I cannot share my screen right now. So I had a similar problem with this earlier person. He was asking some of the rows that you have shown that it was skipping due to some formatting issue. Remember,
Yes,
you had
yes.
just
Yeah.
So I was also having a similar issue. I had downloaded a dataset from Kaggle regarding the FIFA players. And what I found was that certain of the rows, like row 37 or row 45, they are saying that that number of it is expecting a certain number of elements and it is getting more, so it has stopped the process. So what I was doing is that I was skipping those rows using the skip rows attribute and passing a list. But the problem what I was facing is that suppose the first row that I skipped was 37, then again the process stopped. I tried to run it again and it was on line 45, so I was manually deleting that line from the CSV file. But I found
It's
this
like
process.
error bad lines equal to false. Give this parameter, it will delete all this lines which has this type of problem.
Okay,
Error
so
bad lines equal to false.
so that will be done automatically because
Yeah,
see
that will be done automatically. Yes.
because my problem was that before I run this run the command, I will not be able to know which rows to skip. That is the first thing. And secondly is that right now this is a small data set. I am able to open this in CSV or Excel and I can try to delete the rows and all that. But in case of a larger data set, which will be the real world scenario, I will not have this luxury. So you are saying that
Yeah,
error bad lines. Yes,
this
yes, please.
parameter which I have shared in the chat, use it while reading the file. This will delete all the rows which has
Okay.
that problem. Okay?
So any of the rows, it is having a problem in reading a particular row for any reason whatsoever. So that row will be skipped.
Yeah, I will tell the reason also. The reason is that you have somewhere you might be having 6 rows or 7 rows, okay, 7 columns, and it might be having 8 entries for that row.
Yes,
Okay.
it is having. I have manually checked
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
It is having all the rows are having 25 columns, and those rows which are being marked by the system when I try to run the command, then those are for some reason it is having 26. So maybe it is that Kaggle has given this data set for our practice itself, because in a real world scenario the data won't be crystal clean. We'll have to clean it ourselves. So I think
This is the reason. Yeah, this is the reason we have this error bad lines equal to false. It will directly delete all those rows. We have that skip rows just for the purpose of. I mean, if you want to delete some row while reading, you can use that. But if you have a huge data set and you don't know that what all rows have this kind of error, you can use this error bad lines equal to false. It will delete all the rows automatically.
Right, because there were around 8 files, and each of the 8 files had around 42,000 rows. Sorry, 4,200 rows. So it is not possible for me to know before that. Okay, thanks. I'll not take any more time. Thanks for that.
Yeah, no. Okay, guys, you have any question? You can raise your hand.
I have a last question, sir.
Yes, Rajesh.
Sir, I have a few confusion with nanotechnology, sir. Yeah, I want to do in PhD in machine learning or else in it's like artificial intelligence. You said that you can do in PhD in artificial intelligence or machine learning. Sir. How it will be possible, sir?
Means nanotechnology we can use in AI field also. Means with that relativity, I can say that you can do that. I think it would be possible.
Yes, sir. Can you explain in few sentences, sir, how it will be? Yeah.
Sentences
I didn't get you, sir. Means in a very clear manner, sir. I didn't get you what you said. Clear manner.
So AI in nanotechnology will be used under the AI. Means some chemical modeling and some nano computing is there. So you can.
Yeah, okay, sir. That's I got it. But what is the procedure to get into PhD in artificial intelligence or machine learning, sir? How the procedure will take to get into PhD?
Procedure I can't tell you. Like you can ask this procedure in colleges. You can. How can you do that?
Okay,
Means
but
it would be possible you can do that, but there is no any procedure for it. You need
is
to
it
ask
sure,
from the
sir?
Yeah.
Is it sure or else it will be like?
Yeah, it would be possible. You can ask in colleges whether I am doing a nanotechnology, whether I have to do a PhD in artificial intelligence or machine learning. You can get your answer with that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, Lokesh. Hello. Guys, you have any question, you can raise your hand. Okay, I think you guys don't have any questions, so we can conclude this meeting for today. And if you have any question, you can drop us a mail and then we will look for it. Okay. Okay. Good night, guys.